Kyle Nepomuceno and the Lady Bulldogs of National U down by 4 and also down by 2 sets to nothing. Set number 3. 16 serving 12. Perez will set it up. Ooh, solid hit coming from Togonon. That just
that was blocked right there. No, it's a 3-point lead.
Precious Salibad, the main setter of NU. Jennifer Makatuno. Wow!
Soriano,
lakas. Pero talagang napalakas din.
Oo, missing the line is Pao Soriano. That was again a play designed for her. Tinago siya and then went up for the semi-quick differential. Ganda sana kung pumasok.
And now, dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Adamson dito. Almost a good save by Salibad. Pero yun pa rin yung butas sa gitna talaga ng depensa nitong NU na kayang-kayang hanapin.
Yeah.
Adamson.
Timeout.
NU calling a timeout. Let's listen to Coach Vicente.
NU 17. Adams.
Gustuin ko ulit. Andrea, bumlak dito. Sino kukuha dito? Nandito ka, oh. Dinrap dito. Sino kukuha dyan? Ikaw, ano ba sabi ko to sa drawing? As much as possible yung nandito, dahil back player ka na, di ba? Oh, back player, huwag mong pakuhanin yung setter. Paano tayo magkakaroon ng play? O setter din ang kukuha. Nakikinig ba? Ha? Ulit. Enyo. So, pagbalik, anong gagawin, Sese?
Coach Vicente wanting to cure that remedy that problem yung butas sa gitna, ano, and sinasabi niya, Andrea Marzan, sa iyo to.
That's right. And is that Francis Vicente right there? I'm just beginning to wonder right now. It's like there's some transfers. Baka yung Dulce Pante na lipat doon sa...
Para Coach Hubalde ata.
Oo.
Nahawa, di ba? Ngayon si Coach Jaron
tama.
Hubalde, medyo malumana yung magsalita eh.
Pag nag-game ang UP at mainit ang ulo ni Jaron Hubalde,
Nagkapalit.
Nagkapalit.
Yun na yun. And I was speaking to some, UP players as well. Sabi, ganun talaga yun si Coach Jaro, talagang malumana yung magsalita, mabait. Kaya nga ako magbago yun.
May nangyaring match dito.
Marzan is denied here, and to make it worse, sa kanya pa tumama yung last touch ng bola that time, and it's back to a 3-point lead. Perez, Ivy Perez, actually a backup setter para sa NU, so that's why she's comfortable as well.
Yes,
setting things up. Pineda, cross court, napalakas yung reception, and Alcuino with the overreach ata tinawag, no?
No, that's a net touch.
Net touch
from Alcuino.
And this is what we've been talking about, no? If NU could really just get it together for just 4 points,
That's
at 4 points lang, lalamang sila dito ng dalawa because they're down by 2. And Adamson is not playing their A game. Marami silang mali ngayon.
Marami. Sayang, chance to for NU. Sabi nga natin, matagal na sila. Not just winning a match, but a set, no? Matagal na rin silang, kasi nakadalawang straight sets na sila against FEU.
Oo, na-sweep, ano? Defense holding up for National U. What a hit by Nepomuceno. Here comes Kinlog. Better defense. Maganda defense ng NU, ano? Kyle Nepomuceno. This is gonna be an easy over for Adamson. There it is. Middle for Perez. Makatuno. Here comes Alcuino. Great rally. First long one we've had here in this match. Makatuno again. Pineda goes to the middle. Perez plays setter. Nepomuceno. Wow! Pineda drops. Great dig by Nepomuceno. It's still alive! Courtesy of the libero of NU. Oh, and the Kinlog tip over, finally getting the kill for Adamson. But that was a hard-fought point.
That's right. Very true, Eric. A lot of exchanges, a lot of good saves. And again, Nepomuceno missing that opportunity to block Kinlog kasi medyo pangit na yung position ni Kinlog. Dikit na sa net. But, you know, Nepomuceno was fading away too much to the left. At malayo yung kamay niya sa net.
3-point lead for Adamson. Alcuino, medyo wrong timing that time. Here's Pablo.
See, Adamson is not really playing a good... This is not what we're used to seeing from Adamson. Pero, and he's not taking advantage
That's
of that.
true. That's what we've been saying here. And ngayon, despite the poor play by Adamson, nakakuha pa sila ng 2 puntos. They're up by 4. Let's listen back to NU.
Score 16.
Yung floor defense natin, nagtatrabaho. Yung ibabaw natin, kailangan may timing din kayo. Pagkatapos, huwag nyo hahampasin yung bola. Hinahampas nyo sa block eh. Pag hinampas nyo yun, posibleng magta-touching the net. Kasi kumbaga yung movements ninyo, kakapusing kayo nun eh. Abangan nyo. Tapos huwag nyo duduktukin ng ganon. Pag tumama sa inyo yung bola, tsaka nyo lang duduktukin. Huwag pababa, kung hindi ito lang, kamay lang. Enyo. Receive tayo, receive.
And echoing our sentiments, si Coach Vicente, ang ganda nga talaga ng floor defense nila. Really held up, pero sa net dun sila sumasabit. Yung kay Nepomuceno that time, unable to block Kinlog. And then, yung the other one, tumama sila sa net sa sobrang gigil. Yun nga, ang term ni Coach Vicente, dinuduk-duk nyo yung kamay nyo sa net, ano?
And if alam mo nang naghahabol ka, yung sinasabi niya, malamang sa hindi, pahabol lang kayo eh. Pag ginawa mo yung net, talagang matatamaan mo yung net. So dapat nakasteady ka lang, i-extend mo lang over the net when you're in the right position. Pag nakatapat ka, that's the only time you extend it.
And ito na naman, another loss at the net battle as the smaller Jennifer Makatuno getting the advantage against the taller kay Nepomuceno.
Ito, sabi na, pag tungtong ng ganitong stage ng ano, this is when Adamson, if they already have a 4 or 5 point lead, it's so hard to catch up.
And all the more with errors on service reception like that, hindi man lang kayo makaporma sa opensa. 25, or make that 22-16, set number 3. Pero, yun nga sinasabi natin, Adamson giving so many chances to NU, but NU just can't seem to get the hint na, or you know, try and take advantage of these errors. Mandapat, Riza Mandapat will replace Myla Pablo here. But it's a 5-point deficit.
We've got some generous players on the floor right now. That's what I can say. Namimigay ng puntos.
Perez, back set, Nepomuceno flying in for that. There's a net touch.
Alcuino again gets called for that touch.
And ito na naman, Adamson, like what he said, really not 100% here, giving away some easy points para sa NU. Let's see if they can get it together, string some points here and close in on Adamson. Over on the first touch from Precious Salibad. Good reception. Better play para sa NU. Pineda.
That's a good play. Yeah, she can touch it. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Adamson.
As always. Diesta with a hit there. Another long rally here. Perez losing to the taller Alcuino at the net.
That joust won by Alcuino. And, you know, Eric, pag ganyan mga joust, napaka-importante, more than the strength, it's the timing. Pero pag alam mong mahuhuli ka o mauna ka, patama mo agad dun sa block, hindi kailangan ng masyadong malakas yan. It's really the timing that's important. Pag yung mga ganyang gitnaan ng bola sa net. Tsaka yung gulang.
Yun yata pinaka-importante.
Yung pinaka-importante dyan eh.
Napalakas
mo.
Napalakas yung set that time ni Salibad and Nepomuceno with just the tip with the left hand. 2 solid blocks, pero buhay pa rin ang bola courtesy of the floor defense of Adamson.
Oh, sayang. That was a chance for NU.
And Sabi ni Soriano, hindi kailangang hatawan.
Oo.
Simple lang. It's match point for Adamson. Again, courtesy of Pao Soriano, who's become the finisher
Yes.
in each and every set para sa Lady Falcons.
That's right. Very steady. And you can see that she's doing her job not only in offense but also in blocking for the Adamson Lady Falcons. Ayan, free ball na naman. Let's see if Pau can finish this off.
They go to Pineda, and Pineda naman, sabi, ako naman ang tatapos, and she does just that as the Lady Falcons deliver on the directive of Coach Dulce Pante. Let's do this in 3 straight sets, and that's what they do. 25-22, 25-21, and 25-18. Adamson wins over NU in the first match of your Wednesday doubleheader.
Thursday sa Us Girls. Samahan ng barkada sa isang fearless 2012 forecast.
How you dress up says a lot about your personality. And it is a must to learn the art of pagtitipid. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, lahat ng fresh looks at Hair Trends for 2012 ibibigay namin sa inyo. So I say, we should dance to that. Rather, belly dance to that.
Dito sa Us Girls. Thursday pagkatapos ng Iba Balita. Dito sa Studio 23. Iba Kabarkada. Para mag-challenge ang ating premiadong team sa football, isang benefit match ulit para sa mga nasalanta ng Bagyong Sendong. Sasabak sila ngayon sa pinakamalulupit na rookies ng South Korea. Handa na ang Pilipinas na pagharian ng football sa Asia. Filipinas Girls versus Incheon City FC Korea, January 21, Saturday, sa mga oras na ito, sa Studio 23. Iba Kabarkada.
The Lady Falcons, in stark contrast to their first meeting, finishing the Lady Bulldogs off in 3 straight sets. The first meeting was a 5-setter in favor of Adamson, pero this time mas napadali para kay Pao Soriano and the Lady Falcons. And our best player for this game is with Trishka Echeverri.
Yes, beside me now with 30. At nakuha ninyo yung manalo in 3 straight sets, but the NU Lady Bulldogs put up a...
All right, we're having some technical difficulty with the equipment being used by Trishka Echeverri. We'll try to get back to her in just a little bit. Pero now, Adamson goes up to above 500 here.
That's
with
right.
5 and 4 in the standings, getting them closer to the top 4, although not quite there yet. They're still from the outside looking in.
That's
Pero
true.
at least, you know,
They have a
they're
good
on
chance.
the better path this time.
That's
Let's go
right.
to our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment on Sports House Red Carpet.
That's
Deal.
right. One of the plays that Pao Soriano delivered was this perfect, quick play. Approaching from behind Tagusha. Look at that. That huge opening. Sliding for that quick attack, Pao Soriano. This was just one of
Beautiful.
many. Yeah,
If
one
you
of
could
many.
script write it,
Ayun, textbook yun.
Textbook yan. Ganyan mo susulat yun. Yung timing, yung everything. All right, I think we've got everything set. And let's get back to Trishka Echeverri.
Thank you, Eric. With 13 points, 12 attacks, and 1 serve. Beside me is our player of the game, Pao Soriano. Pao, congrats. Na-achieve ninyo yung goal ninyo to win in 3 straight sets, but the NU Lady Bulldogs put up a good fight. Anong tingin mong pinaka nagawa ninyong tama at nanalo kayo?
Siguro yung nagpo-focus kami sa game. Saka hindi kami masyado nag-relax. Hindi porket mahina yung team or malakas yung team. Kailangan, kung ano yung laro namin, ilalabas talaga namin. Ayun.
So, sinabi nga ninyo kanina, no? Sinabi rin ni Coach Dulce, goal ninyo ang maka-finals. What do you think, based on this game, do you still need to improve?
Siguro yung mas lalo pa kami magpapakondisyon. Saka yung willing namin na manalo talaga. Ayun.
Alright, thank you very much, Pao, and congrats. I'm sure there are a lot of people you'd like to thank.
Binabati ko po yung mga fans ko, ay kay Kane Yumol, kay Mr. Jun Paliso, kay Ate Jackie So, saka kay Mr. Rolly De Leon.
Thank you very much, Pao Soriano, our player of the game. Back to you, Eric.
Thank you, Trishka. Congratulations, Pao Soriano and the Lady Falcons. They're still half a game behind FEU at 5 and 3. And there you see the Lady Tamaraos, who will go up against the Lady Spikers of De La Salle. So this is an important game for FEU. They don't want to fall back down and get tied with Adamson at 5 and 4. We mentioned 5 and 3 ang FEU. So really an important game, more for FEU than for La Salle. But for the Lady Bulldogs 0-8 in their last,
No.
or 1-8, but
That's right.
0-8 in their last 8 games.
Yeah, we were just wondering when they're gonna end that skid. It's not even a skid, it's like a downward. Ano na talaga, no? Patapos na itong second round. They're still searching for that second win. And this is a good chance for FEU. This game right here that's coming up next, Eric, this is a good chance for FEU to give LaSalle their first loss.
So stand by for that. Bianca Saldua and Trishka Echeverri will work with our next panel. Thank you to our director, Al Neri, and producer, Malu Neri. For my partner, Ian Laurel, I'm Eric Tipan. Thank you for watching and stick around for more volleyball action here on Studio 23. This is an ABS-CBN Sports presentation.